Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to reactivate your account on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. First, enter your login credentials on the Twitter website. Make sure to provide the correct username and password associated with your account. Step 2. Before you sign in, you'll notice a prompt asking you to confirm if you want to reactivate your account. This is an important step to ensure you're reactivating the correct account. Take a moment to review the information displayed. Step 3. Once you've confirmed that you want to reactivate your account, simply choose the option to reactivate. This will initiate the reactivation process. And there you have it. You've successfully reactivated your Twitter account on your PC. It's as easy as that. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.